Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a product that's perfect for professionals on the go. Whether you're a nail technician, makeup artist, or anyone in need of a versatile mobile workspace. We're looking at the rolling Manicure table foldable nail desk, complete with 4 drawers, a Bluetooth speaker, and an LED mirror. Let's see how it holds up. Now, right off the bat, this piece is designed for serious professionals. It's got a solid anti-shake structure with a metal frame, ensuring it's sturdy even when you're juggling multiple tasks. The dimensions are pretty compact, measuring 15.3 by 10.8 by 30.8 inches, but the desk expands to a generous 27.8 by 15.3 inches when unfolded. Ideal for those tight spaces, or if you're constantly on the move like many beauty professionals. The design allows for an easy fold and pack up, making it more portable than most traditional workstations. When you open it up, you'll immediately notice the thoughtful layout. The nail table itself is incredibly versatile, adjusting to different heights for comfort during long hours of work. It's also foldable and can be transformed into a full-on makeup station when needed. After your workday is done, it folds back neatly and can even roll away next to your luggage, thanks to its wheels. Perfect for those of us who need a mobile beauty setup, whether it's for outdoor events, markets, or traveling between clients. Let's talk about the storage. This rolling case does not disappoint. You've got a bottom compartment with 3 drawers that can hold your larger tools like nail dryers and drills. The upper compartment is equally well thought out with removable dividers, perfect for organizing everything from nail polishes to lipsticks and skincare bottles. Everything has its place, and everything stays tidy, a huge win for keeping things neat during busy work sessions. The build quality here is definitely one of its strengths. The case features a durable aluminum frame with metal-wrapped corners that protect your gear during travel. If you're moving between locations often, you'll appreciate the TSA locks for added security. You can travel with peace of mind knowing that your valuable products and tools are safe and secure. Plus, the top-notch TPE wheels are a game changer. These 360-degree wheels make it effortless to move the case, even on uneven surfaces. No more struggling to drag around heavy, cumbersome setups. The wheels are easy to install and remove too, so you can take them off when you need a sleeker profile. Now, let's look at the pros and cons to give you a clear idea of what you're getting. First, the pros. Versatility. It doubles as a nail table and makeup station, making it ideal for both nail techs and makeup artists. Storage. Excellent organizational options, with drawers and dividers to keep everything in its place. Portability. Easy to fold, roll, and transport. Whether it's for traveling or just moving between rooms, this piece does it all. Build quality. Sturdy metal frame with security locks adds peace of mind for professionals carrying expensive gear. But of course, there are a few cons. Weight. It's a bit heavier than a basic case, which can be a factor if you're looking for something ultralight for frequent travel. Size. When fully extended, it takes up quite a bit of space, so it may not be the best fit if you're in a particularly cramped area. Bluetooth speaker. While the built-in Bluetooth speaker is a nice touch, it's not the highest quality sound for a professional setup. You might want to pair it with your own speaker if sound quality is a priority. As far as value for money goes, this is definitely a premium product, but it's justified. The convenience, durability, and level of detail in the design make it well worth the price, especially if you're someone who relies on mobility and organization in your daily work. If you're on the lookout for similar products at a lower price, there are some options available, but they might not offer the same level of stability and storage capacity. In this case, you're paying for the quality, and you're getting it. In terms of build quality and longevity, this desk is built to last. The metal frame and TPE wheels should hold up well over time, and the added TSA lock feature ensures you won't have to worry about your tools getting into the wrong hands. Just make sure to maintain it properly, especially the locking mechanisms and wheels, to keep it in top shape. Now, if you've ever had to reach out to customer service, I've heard good things about this brand in terms of responsiveness. It seems they care about their customers and take issues seriously, which is a major plus when investing in something like this. For updates, there doesn't seem to be anything major at the moment, but if the product sees any improvements, whether in design or functionality, it could make this even more appealing to users. As for alternatives, there are other portable nail and makeup stations out there, but not many offer the same combination of portability, security, and storage that this one does. If you're on a tighter budget, you might find simpler rolling cases or foldable tables, but they may lack the sturdy build or security features that this one offers. So, what's the final verdict? This rolling manicure table is a fantastic solution for mobile professionals in the beauty industry. It's highly functional, thoughtfully designed, and built to last. It's perfect for those who need a mobile workstation that doesn't compromise on quality. However, it might be a bit heavy for those looking for something ultra-portable. And if sound quality from the Bluetooth speaker is a big concern, it might not be a deal maker. If you're someone who values organization, portability, and a secure workspace, this rolling manicure table could be your next must-have. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.